Nagi. Ganamurti. Vanaspati.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Excellent. Justin, superb.
Thank you. We almost all covered that all ragams, today's ragams.
Okay. Okay, friends. So welcome all. Today is the final session of this course, which links maths and music. Until the last session, we were dabbling with the maths compositions, especially the permutations and kind of stuff. So today, Tessie teacher will link that to the music side of it. Welcome you, Tessie teacher, and welcome all the students and all other music buffs and other maths enthusiasts who have come today. Over to you, Tessie teacher.
Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Because the audio is from another instrument, so that's why I'm asking. Can you hear properly?
Yeah, ma'am, we can hear you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Today is the last session of this math of Sarigama. So today we are going to enjoy some ragas, some music, and what we have learned this previous 3 days that we are going to practice today. So it is written there, music is the pleasure the human soul experiences from counting without being aware that it is counting. We all enjoy music. Unknowingly, we are counting them. We are counting them. Some calculations, some mathematics, unknowingly we are using in it. But we don't know that and we are enjoying the music. Today, we will see what mathematics is doing in this ragas. This music is the pleasure the human soul experiences. That quoting is from Leibniz. Students, almost everyone must be knowing the person Leibniz. He is a mathematician. Okay, co-discovered calculus. Calculus, I know many students in senior classes, they know they love or they don't like it, but he is one of the person behind that. And he is the person who stated like this, music is the pleasure the human soul experiences from counting without being aware that it is counting. Now, today's topic is covered mostly the ragas of music. So that is why you can see this slide, some pictures, some letters. I think someone is using the annotation here. Now, we are going to do the first 1 or 2 slides, which contains the sale that you have seen in many of the shops or malls, Lulu, hypermarket, etc. You can see these kind of many sale. The sale which says buy one get one free. I think everyone once, at least one time, you have noticed this sale in Lulu. Buy one, get one free. Okay, children, anyone tell me what is the conditions in buy one, get one free? Anyone? Unmute your mic and tell. What is that buy one, get one? Anyone? Nikita, Anvesha, Inish, anyone?
Ma'am, one of the conditions is that when there are two objects of different cost, the one that is of higher cost should be paid and the one with lower cost is for free.
Okay. Okay. See, actually they write buy one, get one free. But when you buy one item, you will get a second item of the same price or less. Of the same price or less. That is the sale deal. Here I am going to explain. So you can buy the item of the same price or less price. Okay. Now you can see here strawberry and cherry. Strawberry and cherry. And the price is also given. Buy one, get one free. Just example, you can imagine that it is a basket of fruits, two different baskets. You can imagine like that. Now, if you buy, according to this condition, if you buy strawberry, you can purchase free the same price item or the less one. I hope everyone understood the condition. So how many different ways we can purchase these fruits? Buy one strawberry, get one cherry. That is one option. What is the other one? What is the other one? Think. All of you take a notebook and a pen. Take a notebook and a pen, and in the beginning of the class, I taught you that a tree diagram. You can use tree diagram method. Strawberry S, cherry C. Buy one cherry, you will get only one cherry. Yes, correct. Then what is the other option? Once again, read the condition. You will get the same price or less.
Less.
Any other options? Any other way we can purchase? You said cherry and cherry, correct. Strawberry and strawberry, correct answer. Now, any other options? Now, three options, students, they have written here. Strawberry, cherry, cherry. Okay. Any other option? Any other different way we can purchase these fruits? Anvesha, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, I meant to say that if there's any condition which says that only one item of each we can buy, or we can buy more than one.
You can imagine it is a basket of cherry, basket of strawberry. If you buy one basket of cherry, you can buy one more basket of cherry, less price or equal price. Got it? Okay. So how many different ways you got it now? How many different ways? How many different ways? Unmute and tell. Yes, 3 different ways. So here we are getting 3 different ways. That is cherry, strawberry, cherry. These are the 3 conditions. 3 different ways we got it here. Now look at the next set. This is 2 different vegetables. Okay, one is bell pepper, the other one is carrot. Price is given, condition is same. So how many different ways we can purchase? How many different ways we can purchase? 3 different ways. Okay. Now, if I purchase both the items, that means fruits and vegetables, together, how many different ways we can purchase? 3 different ways you can purchase fruits. 3 different ways you can purchase vegetables. Now, fruits and vegetables. That means each selection of vegetables goes with the selections of fruits. Anvesha, how did you get to 10?
Ma'am, first I took 2 strawberries, that is 1. Then 2 cherries, that is 1. 2 bell peppers, that is 1. And 2 carrots, that is 1. then a strawberry with a cherry, a strawberry with a bell pepper, a strawberry with a carrot.
Yes, Anvesha, the first one is only fruits. First sale is only for fruits. You can't mix fruit and vegetables. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Rishikesh, your answer is correct. It is 3 times fruits and 3 times vegetables. So, what is the total number of ways we can purchase? 3 into 3 times. So, we can purchase 9 ways. We can buy 9 different ways. Any doubt? Nikita, Inish, Anvesha. Any doubts you can ask? Anvesha, did you understand that? 3 into 3, 9. Okay. Now look at the next case. The same sale conditions. 2 types of fruits, 2 types of vegetables. But if a person buys fruits and vegetables, there is an offer. That offer is you can take one of the basket from this. If you buy both the items, that means fruits and vegetables, that means that 9 different ways of arrangements, correct? If you buy both the items, there is another offer. That offer says you can take either the first basket or the second basket. So here already 3 into 3 ways we have done. Okay, now with the basket, how many different ways you can purchase the items? That is the next question. Children, everyone should write the answer. The chat box should be very live. Then only I can teach properly. Rishikesh wrote the answer. Others, please write. Nikita is saying 2 ways. Nikita, already 9 different ways we can purchase. Okay. Now, if we add 2 more items, that is 2 different baskets, not 9 baskets, 2 different baskets. So, how many different ways we can fill the basket? Devika, can you explain?
I did
Devika?
3
Yes.
times 3 times 2.
3 times 3 times 2. Is it Devika or anyone else?
Deepak.
Deepak. Okay, Deepak. Tell me how you got it? 3 times? 3 times multiplied by 2 different baskets.
Because
All your 9 different arrangements, you can keep it in either this 9 arrangements, you can keep it in either this basket or in this basket.
Okay.
So you can say 9 into 2 times or 9 plus 9. So 18 times. 18 different ways we can purchase the items. Now, moving on to the next one. This is another sale. This is not the hypermarket. This is an electronic shop. This sale is amazing one. You will be. Look at this one here, sale. If you purchase one item, you will get a second item of the same price or less free. But here, there are 3 different items. One camera, one PlayStation, one iPhone. And look at the prices also written there, 80,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. Now, how many different ways? You have to take your notebook. Children, all of you take your notebook and draw the tree diagram and see how many different ways we can purchase. The previous sale was for 2 items. Here it is 3. I can see one answer. I'm waiting for others. Okay, Anvesha, after that I will give you the answer. Nikita, write the answer. Anvesha, you are in which class? Tenth. Okay. Yes, I can see few answers here. Rishikesh. Rishikesh. Rishikesh is saying 4 different ways. Okay, Rishikesh, tell me, which are the 4 different ways?
First, we can buy iPhone with camera.
Okay.
iPhone with PlayStation.
PlayStation, okay.
And camera with PlayStation.
Camera, PlayStation, okay.
I didn't get any other way.
So you told only 3 different ways, no? Now you told only 3 different ways.
Yes, yes. It was a mistake.
See, if you purchase one item, you will get a second item of the same price. Of the same price or less. Of the same price or less. So how many different ways? Why can't you take iPhone and iPhone?
Why? Can we take 2 PlayStations with one
Yes.
iPhone?
Yes, you can take 2 PlayStation, same price.
Okay, okay.
Okay, same price or less. You can buy 2 iPhones. Yes. So how many different ways now? How many different ways? Yes. Anvesha, can you explain?
Yes, ma'am. I got all the 3 ways which Rishikesh said. And
Okay.
after that, I took one iPhone with one iPhone, one PlayStation with one PlayStation, and one camera with one camera. 3 plus 3 gives 6.
Very good. Very good explanation. What all different ways Rishikesh told, plus she has taken 2 iPhones, 2 camera and 2 PlayStation. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Children, think like this, same price, less price. So iPhone. Okay, if you purchase iPhone, you can buy iPhone, you can buy camera, you can buy PlayStation. If you purchase camera, you can't buy iPhone, but you can buy camera, you can buy PlayStation. But if you buy PlayStation, you can buy only one more PlayStation. So what is the total number here? 3 plus 1 plus 2. It is 6 different ways. Now you can purchase 6 different ways. Okay. Did you understand? Nikita, Danish, yes? Okay. Danish, did you understand? Yes. Okay, very good. Now next one. The same way, look at the next deal given here. It is a TV, then a laptop and a iPad. 3 different items again. That is another sale. The condition is same. So tell me how many different ways we can do.
What is the cost of the iPad?
15K. 15K. Can you see now? Okay. Now, how many different ways we can purchase? Here we got 6 different ways. Then these 3 items, how many? 6 different ways. Same. This is again 6 different ways. So a person is going to purchase both. How many different ways they can purchase? They can take different combinations, right? They can take a camera, a PlayStation, and buy one laptop and one TV. Like that, they can purchase different combinations. So total how many ways? Same like that carrot and cherry and all vegetables and fruits we purchase the same way. Left hand side 6 different ways. Right hand side item 6 different ways. So together both we are finding. Yes, correct answer. It is 6 into 6, 36 different ways. Now, if you have any doubt, you can unmute or you can ask a doubt. Yes, Danish, any doubt? No. Okay. Now look at the next slide. Now what happened? This is an offer. If you buy 2 different items, you will get 4 plus free 2 antique boxes you can see here. One of this you will get free. So left hand side you already told there are 6 different ways. Right hand side there are 6 different ways. And you will get boxes, 2 different type of boxes. That is 2 different ways. So what is the total number of arrangements here? The total number of arrangements is 72. Anyone can tell me why did I take this 6 and 6 and 2 and 72 different arrangements today's class? Anyone? Is there any relation with these numbers with our topic? Anyone? Alina? Alina?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishikesh? Yes?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
Not sure. Relation, Anvesha is saying relation with the music. Yes, answers are coming here. Now, we are moving on to the next slide. So you will understand what is that importance of this 6 into 6 into 2 equal to 72. 6 into 6 into 2 equal to 72 that you are going to learn. How many of you know music in this group? There are some 48 participants I can see. How many of you know about the music, different type of music, Carnatic music, Hindustani, Western? Anyone? I know few people, they know. Anvesha? No problem. No need to sing. Don't worry. I will not call your name to sing music. Okay. Sing a song. I will not do. I just ask. You learned Carnatic music. Okay. Okay. Now you can see here. We are going to use these 7 letters in the coming slides. So it is very important. Everyone, those who know music, and if you don't know music, you write these 7 letters in your notebook with the number. That number position is very important. Write that letters in your notebook. Danish also will write it in your notebook. SRGMPDN. These are the 7 different letters we are going to use. Okay, Bhavana. Anvesha. Good. Okay. Now you can see the world of ragas we are going to create. Now look at this one, next one. We are here, you can see some conditions. This is very important, these conditions. There are 16 objects. There are 16 objects you can see here. In the previous slide, you have seen that 7 letters, S, R, G, M, P, D, N, their position is very important. Next slide, this S is only S, but R I divided into 3. G also I divided into 3. It is same like our sale, 3 different items. And M I divided into 2, here D divided into 3, N divided into 3. So there are 7 letters in the beginning. Now total how many letters you can see with this suffix 1, 2, 3. How many letters? Write in the chat after writing in your notebook. Yes, there are 16. There are 16. Now we are going to take, there are 16 objects. There are 16 objects. And what is the condition given below? What is the condition given below? S and P are permanent at their positions. So this S and P, yellow color you can see P. We are not going to change. It will be fixed. But we will use all the 7 letters at a time without repetition. But instead of R, you can use either R1 or R2 or R3. Either G1, G2 or G3. M1 or M2. The same way right hand side, D 3 different types, N 3 different types. Okay. So, but there are few more conditions. That is what I am going to explain in the next slide. I hope everyone understood the 16 different objects. How can we arrange? But the first condition, S and P are permanent. S and P are permanent. And we will use all the 7 letters. Now, in the next slide, you can see S and P are only one type and they are fixed letters. So I am not using that. Anyway, it will be there. Then, which are the different other letters? R, G, M, D, N. Okay. In that case 1, I'm going to fix M1. I'm going to fix M1. So M1 again I made permanent. First we made S, then M1, then P. Then P. These are permanent. Now the next condition, everyone read carefully. It is same like our sale. R1 will go with G1, G2, G3. That means the second place, if occupied by R1, you can use G1 or G2 or G3. But if you use R2, you can't use G1. You can use only G2 or G3. Okay. Same way, if you use R3, you can use only G3 with that. Did you understand this condition? If anyone is having doubt, you can ask me now the condition. If you understand the condition only, we can move on to the next slide. Clear? Okay. R1 will go with the G1, G2, G3. R2 will go with the G2 and G3 only. R3 can take only G3 as its partner. Understood? Now tell me, how many different ways we can arrange this 2 letters R and G? How many different ways we can arrange these letters R and G? The tree diagram is given here. Only you have to think about R and G. Okay. Once you get the answer, write in the chat. You can't change the position, Anvesha. You can't change the position. If you use R1 here, you can use here G1, G2, G3. but you can't interchange G and R. Position is very important. Second place, you can keep only R. Okay. Yes, I can see few answers. Yes. It is same like the sale, what happened in that electronic shop now, the same. Yes. So there are 6 different ways. 6 different ways. Now, to the right hand side. Yes, Rishikesh. Okay, now you can see here 3 plus 2 plus 1 or it is equal to 6. Now look at the right hand side. After M1, the same way the condition is D1 will go with N1, N2, N3, but D2 will go with the N2 and N3, D3 with the N3. So how many different ways we can form? Same way, 3, 2, 1. So there are also 6 different ways. Okay. Now together if you take, how many different ways you can form these arrangements? Yes. Very good, very good. 36 ways. Now I used only M1. I used only M1. Now what I can do next? What I can do next? Anyone? Unmute and tell me. What is the next step? We used only M1, but M, there are 2 different M1 and M2, correct? So next we can take M2, case 2, M2. How many we can create here? The previous slide we made 36. Here how many with M2? The same order. R1 with the G1, G2, G3, R2 with the G2, G3, yes. The same, left side is 6 and right side also the same 6. We will make 36. We will make 36. Now, all together, how many arrangements we made? Tell me. How many arrangements we created now? With the M1, we created 36. With the M2, we created 36. So total 36 into 2. That is 7. Not 36 into 36. 36. We already created 36. Then M1 we changed to M2. So 36. Here we created 36. When you make a M2 also here into 2. So it will be 72 different ways we can form these arrangements. Is it clear? You got the relation with the electronic shop. Okay, very good. You got, yes. Something when we get free, we will be very enthusiastic to learn that thing, no? So the same way learning will go. Now look at this one. Now we created 72 different arrangements. Can we write? We are not going to write everything, but we know that the first position S, it is fixed. Okay. Now I am going to keep here R, G. Can you see the slide properly? I will use some other color. Okay. S, R, G, M, P, D. Okay. S is fixed. P is fixed. Now I am going to use M1, R1, G1, P1, D1. What is next? What is next? Unmute and tell me. What is next?
N1.
N1. After that?
S1.
No, S is, there is no S1 and S2, no, only S. S is only one. Okay, I'm asking, first you can use here N1, correct? Can you use other than N1? D1 will go with, look at the condition given here, right hand side. D1 will go with N1, N2 and N3. So after D1, which all letters? Yes, we can use after N1, N2. We can use N2 and we can use N3 also. We can use N3 also. So how many different ways we made here, the arrangements? How many different arrangements we made? You fixed R1, G1, M1, P1, T1. There is no P1. Okay, sorry. There is no P1, only one P. Only one P. There is no P1. How many different ways we arranged now? 3 different ways. Okay. Now the same thing I'm going to write here as R1, G1, M1, P, D1. Sorry, D2. D1 we used. Now next is D2. If I use D2, which all letters I can use here in the next position? Either N2 or N3. Very good. Even N2 or N3. So how many different arrangements we got? There are 2 more arrangements. Okay. Now the same thing I'm going to repeat here. S, R1, G1, M1, P, D3. If it is D3, I can use which all letters? Only one arrangement, correct? It is N3. One arrangement. Now, total how many arrangements we created here? How many arrangements we created? 6 different arrangements we created. Correct, no? Yes. Now, these 6 arrangements you can see here. All together, you can see the 6 arrangements. Okay. Now tell me, in these 6 arrangements, which are the, what similarity you can notice here? What similarity? 6 arrangements we wrote, and where is the difference? In all the three different, I wrote with a pink color, blue color, and ivory color. Only the difference is in, yes, S and P remain same everywhere. D is different D, and N also different. So we are seeing here the first 3, the difference is only with the first one, only difference is N1, N2, N3. Only the last letter. Second set, you can see the difference is in D and N. And the third one, you can see the difference is in D and N3. These 6 are the 6 first Melakarta ragas of the Carnatic music. We say Indu Chakra ragas. This is the first chakra, Indu Chakra. These are the first 6 Melakarta raga. What is the meaning of Melakarta raga? Melakarta raga means that is the parent raga. That is the parent raga. We used 7 letters. We used 7 letters. Do you know which are these 7 letters? What is the connection? Yes, tell me.
GMP. Sarigama Padhani.
Sarigama Padhani. Sa is coming in the next octave. Okay. This is the first 7 letters stands for the first the 7 swaras or the 7 notes of Carnatic music. Okay. So we are using 7 letters, but we made it into 16 different swarasthanas. Swarasthanas means there is slight difference in the frequency. Children, you all are learning physics, so you know about what is frequency differences. So these 6, there are only 7 notes, but we made into 6 different Swarasthanas. Swarasthanas means the difference in their frequency. I'm not going to explain what is music. Now you created 6 different Melakarta ragas. And you told SRGMPDN stands for 6 different swaras. Which are the names of these 6 different swaras? Anyone? Anyone? Unmute and tell. It is S stands for Sa, that is Shadjam. R, Rishabam. G, Gandharam.
Gandharam.
M,
Madhyamam.
Madhyamam. B, Panjamam. D,
Daivadam.
Daivadam. And N, Nishadam. Okay. So, and Melakarta raga, we know that it is the parent raga. We use all the 7 swaras. And you can remove some swaras from there, and you can create another that is known as Janya ragas. So you can make Janya ragas like this, remove some of the letters from here and use another letters and make the number of swaras 5 or 6, and you can make Janya ragas. Okay, so many number of times you can create these ragas. Now, after this first 6 ragas, you know that each raga will go with the Arohana and Avarohana. Arohana means ascending order. Avarohana is descending order. Okay, and the notes must be strictly increasing if the frequency is in Arohana mode. But it is strictly decreasing if it is in Avarohana. Okay, anyone can sing Sarigama Padani? Anyone? Children, anyone? Nikita, can you sing?
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
okay,
not
just
so
sing.
good.
Yes,
Ma'am, it's not so good.
that's okay, no problem, no problem. You just sing.
Okay, ma'am. Sarigama pada nisa sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa.
Very good, very good. Okay, now see, same like this, anyone else can sing. Okay, and Nikita, you sang nicely, no? Okay, now these 6 ragas, their names you can read now. The first one you can see D1 N1, that is Kanagangi. Next one D1 N2 is Ragnangi. D1 N3 is Ganamurti. Then D2 N2 is Vanaspati. Then the difference D2 N3 is Manavati. Then D3 N3 is Tanarupi. These are the first 6 ragas that is coming in Indu Chakra. That is a chakra. There are 72 Melakarta ragas. Each chakra contains 6 ragas. The first raga is all, you can see here the difference is only in D and N. Only the difference is D and N. Now Mr. Justin Varghese, music teacher in ISM. He is present here. He will sing these different ragas and he will explain the difference in 6 different arrangements. Okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. First, Melakarta Raga, Kanagangi. Sarigama Padani Sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Arohana Avrohana of Kanagangi. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The second Melakarta Raga, Ratnagi, there is slightly change. Please listen. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The third Raga, Ganamurti, listen. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. Sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. Till the pa, the all ragas are same notes, but after that D and N is changing and changing the color of ragas. Now we can, I will show you that Kanagangi, Ratnangi, Ganamurti continuously pa, dha, ni, sa, how it is sound like. Kanagangi. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. Ratnangi. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. Ganamurti. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. Now, the fourth raga, Vanaspati. The dha is 2. So you can see how the sound like. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. We are moving to Manavadi, fifth Melakarta Raga. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Now we are going to see what is the difference of Vanaspati and Manavadi. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. Manavadi. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. Next, the sixth Melakarta Raga, Tanarubi. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa, ma, ga, re, sa. Now we are going to see the changes, what happening in Manavadi and Tanarubi. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. Tanarubi. Pa, dha, ni, sa. Sa, ni, dha, pa. These are the main difference in the dha and ni coming in the Indu Chakra Raga. Thank you. Thank you.
Did you understand some differences in D and N? That That is our Dhaivadam and Nishadam. These are the changes sir explained here using the instrument. Okay. Now, what is the next change? Now here you can see R1 we used, G1 we used. Only D and N we changed. We changed only D and N. What will be the next change? Next
Ma.
change, yes. M1 we fixed M1. S, P and M1 we fixed. Okay. Now what is the next change? We can D and N we already changed. Next change.
I meant M.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Is
M.
it
Ma.
Dvi and Ga? Sorry.
No. D and N we changed. No, we used. Now the same pattern. M is fixed. R and G. Correct. R and G we can change. These all are the names of different swaras. That is, look at this one. Here, in the next one, you can see the changes in the Netra Chakra. Listen here, in Netra Chakra, you can see the changes, the same Hindu Chakra 6 ragas, but in the Netra Chakra, that G1 all changed to G2. So you are getting another 6 ragas, that is the next 6 ragas. You can see here Netra Chakra, the next 6 ragas. Look at the difference in both the chakras. Here in the Netra Chakra, the difference is only in G2. And the same other arrangements we are repeating. So we will get another 6 ragas. Another 6 ragas. Did you understand? Nikita, Inish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now you can see here, Mrs. Vidya.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, can you sing one of this one from the Netra Chakra?
Sure. I sing the 8th Melakarta Raga, that is Hanuma Todi. We just say Todi. And the Arohana and Avarohana are Sajigama Pathani Sanithapa Magadisa. And I sing a small a kirtana, the Pallavi of a kirtana in this raga, Todi. Sarasi Janabha Murane Pahi Sadadam Sarasi Janabha Murane Pahi Sadadam Shamaladri Kulisha Shaurya Shamaladri Kulisha Shaurya Sarasi Janabha Murare. This is the raga Todi.
Very good, Vidya. Thank you very much. Very good, very good. Now children, what will be the next change? Can you tell me what is the next change? After this Netra Chakra, the next 6. Anyone? No, Anvesha, we are not touching M1 and M2 now. M1 is fixed. You change the other swaras. we made G1 all G2, then R1 will go with what next? After R1, you used G1, you used G2. What is next? Yes, G3. Next one is G3. When you use G3, you will get the next set of Can you see the third one? Children? Yes. The third one you can see now, Agni Chakra. Okay. In Agni Chakra, the same way you can see the changes only for G3. Only for G3. Okay. The same way, all these chakras, fourth chakra, now we will change R1 to R2. Then R2 with the G3. Then R3 with the G3. So in the first class, I taught you the tree diagram. You can make the tree diagram and you can create all the 72 Melakarta ragas. Now, look at this one. Here, the 56th one. Now, Anvesha is asking about M2. That is Madhyamam, 2 types. This is the second Madhyamam. In second Madhyamam, you can see here, 56th one is Shanmuga Priya. Shanmuga Priya. Okay. Vidya, can you just sing Shanmuga Priya? Because that is very popular one. Many of you must be knowing that.
Yes, yes. Sure. Shanmuga Priya is the 56th Melakarta Raga, and its Arohana and Avarohana are like this. Sajigama Padhani Sani Dhapa Magarisa. And one of the famous film songs, this is Shanmuga Priya. Many songs are there, and one I'll sing. Gopika Vasandam Tedi Vanamali Nava Nava Gopika Vasandam Tedi Vanamali Immanamurugum Virahatava Maria Dinde Gopika Vasandam Tedi Vanamali. This is a song in Shanmuga Priya. Many songs are there. Devotional songs also are there. Mookambiye Devi Mookambiye is one of such songs in Shanmuga Priya.
Okay. Yeah, is a good singer as well as she is a postgraduate in mathematics. So she can understand the changes. Now, I think most of you present in this session, I hope everyone must have understood that it changes in the swaras, and you know that you can create all the 72 ragas. Okay, thank you. Satish.